Ukhrul Autonomous District Council Executive Member N.Wungreiyo. Ado hojik yan hamda aina langning machine. Ngaram ekoi Honorable Chief Minister na House the thambiram regarding hojik fund P habi matang do. Adugi do yan hamda adugi do clarification thamjage. Ekoi urban local bodies singi di 15 finance 2020-21 dagi hauna moi budi dum hana dosu pirame pithoe adubo ngasi phawada 2020-21 the first installment 15 finance commission gi makhada laiba ADC dama 50 crore si ngasi phaw thadake and after that adlagi hauna adu thadok tabni the first installment si thadok tabni na UCP khatte fund transfer certificate issue without producing fund transfer certificate and utilizing certificate, ministry na paisa hanna pirakani hai sidi mangi wari. So madu first installment P damni na ngasi power 15 finance commission center dagi ekoi karimata pangde adagi moi thadorak paisa laite adu 2020-21 first installment crore yang hai dosu ngasi power implement tawtri maduma sumhaini clarification thamge. And after that, hojik Fourth Finance Commission chali Manipur State Fourth Finance Commission. Fourth Finance Commission si makhada ngasi phawda 2020-21 dagi hauna till today not even a single penny is released. Ngarai ko Honorable CM na haibdi caretaker chairman singi khadang da ekoi dum funding pira le haibdi adu ngasi phaw pa pide hai clarification thamge. Ani shubda state government sida in appeal tawning ma amthakam lei finance Manipur State Finance Commission masida kari hai 10% of the Manipur State sida sources of income taxes saitare masi ahum lei state on tax revenue, state non on tax revenue, state share in central tax source ahum ahum sources ahum shidagi 10% goes to the local bodies and the ADCs. Machine. It is clearly mentioned in the State Finance Commission that 10% of these taxes being collected from the state on tax revenue, state non on tax revenue, and state share in central tax shidagi 10% CPE hai. Whereas ngasi phawada state government na piuse source amagi khakta ta piye state on tax revenue gi adudagi 10% pi adudagi 10% adudagi 42% goes to the ADCs. State Finance Commission na fajala 10% sources ahum shidagi pigini hairaga karigino why karigino sources ani gi pi dawse. In letter and spirit, masing political will amagi kanoda pivatar of the local bodies, including urban local bodies and ADCs, masing fanji walloy, aduga kungangi chaukat nanaba moi tawak tawada, masina yamna mating bangini ayapse, masih sumain thamningi, adugi state government request owning madi. Finance Commission na pigram State Finance Commission na pigram ni pigini hiring sidi masimati PBO haibse masisu PBre hairaga atai atopa power and function su PBre hairaga election si pangthokpa haibse koina hiring bani ha aduga samrage lastly but not the least hanna koina sumai press conference ama kaurami adui matamda koi chingi matters in the tribal affairs and hills na ayam ba paimnina ekoi mantri si station da leikamnina chingi chaukat thoram paina na khuding makse ekoi so tharaga lere yaragadi masi sinbio hain han ekoi hairamni adubu if at all there is any technical problem sinba moi ke dawagi adugumba problem leba taragadi ekoi na request tawge mantri sindrab su yai adubu tribal affairs and hills asigi department se How's the Ching Minister, Naga Minister Ani lady dana? Honorable Minister Oza Fushim lady, Honorable Minister Sir Wangbo lady, Mabani Gida, Amagida, Tribal Affairs and Hills here. Cannot all give the career time lay, I say. Machine. Ngasi election to pangthokpa the lay situation. Why? It is because of presence, monthly presence later problem not the near about it, face of the ladies. Otherwise, the monthly labor Mathausi important, my importance. Adum lady I quite low see. Atugi Aina last question my Thamjavasi, State Government Nashu, Honorable Minister Nashu Tabiu, Aduga consider Tobiu, Aduga Tribal Affairs and Hills Department as it. Honorable Minister Sir Letpao Haokip Hairaga, Naga Mantri Singh PBO I request of. Thank you so much.